Okay, guys, I am going to film a video of how you sign up for NoRedInk. So I'm going to kind of do it as if I were you, guys. And I have nothing planned ahead. So maybe I Google NoRedInk. And it takes me to NoRedInk.com. Okay. Click on that. And I need to sign up. Okay. I am a student because I'm signing up like I'm you. And now the first thing I'm prompted to do is enter my classroom code, which for 8th grade is... And in case I put this on the internet... You'll type in the code that I gave you. And then this is your class, 8th grade English Cornerstone. You put in your first and your last name, blah, 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 all the things which you want your username to be. So I'm going to sign up. I'll sign up as my daughter. Actually, I prompted the 7th graders to just sign up with Google because it's so much easier. And then you're locked in, like when you're already signed into Google Classroom. Sorry, I just remembered that. I'll sign in as my husband. He's a dude. Yeah, it's way easier to do that because you don't have to type in as much information. You already typed it into Google. So this confused a lot of the 7th graders because the first thing it does is show a bunch of movies and they're like, this isn't school. But what it's asking is, what are you interested in? So just like pick a couple movies that entertain you, like maybe you like Divergent, maybe you're into, you know, Finding Nemo. And then after you choose a few of those, so see, my progress bar is moving now. They want you to choose your interests because they're going to start working them into the questions. So if I pick all Disney stuff or whatever, then all of my questions, like the subjects are going to be characters from these books. The questions are going to relate to these books. That's the only reason it's showing you a bunch of movies. Just pick some. Ooh, I like The Office. Just pick some and then onward it will let you finally. Okay, see, now I can move on. And then now that you've moved on, you will see your assignments here, which at the moment, I don't have anything assigned to this class, but I will. So after you've done that, you're in. You're here. You've done it. You're finished. That's the way to do it. All right. Enjoy.